guys, welcome back to another video here with me at the Aspiring Home Cook. Today I'm going to show you how I whip up my favorite tuna salad sandwich. You won't believe how easy it is and how tasty they turn out. So let's go straight ahead and get started. A tuna sandwich is so versatile, you can pretty much switch things up as you'd like. Today I'm going to show you our favorite way of enjoying a tuna sandwich. I've got a couple of little cans of tuna in here. I've drained out all that excess water. I prefer tuna that's in spring water, but you can use whatever you like and whatever you have on hand. Now to this, we're going to add a little mayo. I've just gone in with, I'd say, about 2 tablespoons of mayo over here. This is my homemade mayonnaise. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link to that over here. And I'm going to use a little bit of Dijon mustard. Say about maybe half a teaspoon. Now I tend to find that tuna is usually fairly well seasoned, so I don't add any more salt, but you can go ahead and add some if you'd like. But what I'm definitely going to add in is a little bit of cracked black pepper, and I'm going to give it a little spritz of lemon, just a few drops, and then all that's left to do is mix all of this up. Now let's talk about our veggies. At this point, there are 2 things you can do. You can add this tuna mix to your sandwich and just layer your greens or your veggies with it. I'm going to use a few different elements. I've got some finely chopped red onion here, some tomato slices, some pickled jalapenos, sliced olives, and some sliced pickles over here. Now because I don't want too much of a bite of onion at one go, I've chopped this up really fine and I'm going to add it into the tuna. Again, quantities, just go by how much you'd like in there. We tend to like a little bit of onion in there, and this onion is just so beautiful, it's not very sharp. Now sometimes I go ahead and add the olives, the pickles and peppers in here as well and mix it all up. Other times I just layer them on, so just go by what you prefer. Now you can use sliced bread or you can use rolls like I have here. There's really no hard and fast rule. All that we're going to do now is layer some of that gorgeous tuna. I would recommend tasting this tuna mix and then adjusting your seasoning the way you like it. So in goes a little bit of tuna like this. Then you're free to add all the other things that you'd like. I'm going in with a few olives. Some sliced pickles. A couple of those pickled jalapenos. Tomato, and always remember that tomato needs to be seasoned just a tiny bit. So I'm going in with a little bit of cracked black pepper and a light sprinkle of salt just over the tomatoes. And then you're going to top that up with greens of your choice. I'm just using some iceberg lettuce here. You can use any salad greens that you'd like. I'm going to smush that all down as best as I can. And you've got yourself a beautiful homemade tuna salad sandwich. I hope you enjoyed today's quick and easy tuna sandwich recipe. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you really soon with another delicious recipe. So till then, take care. Bye.